Hello, you beautiful sluts. I'm just kidding. I wanted to see how this sounds. Let me know if you like it. But yeah, hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of these huge celebratory unboxing of Coleyes. We tried some colors. This one is one of them in the previous video. You can go check that out below. Today, we get the rest of the package just like I promised you. And yeah, you guessed it, it's the same day I just changed my top and came here to serve. This is coral sea green, by the way, and it's wonderful. Now, we're gonna have to unbox these, which is exciting. And I still haven't opened it, okay? I'm really holding myself. They also sent me these 2 packages. The previous freebies were beautiful gloves. Wait, I just realized something. Oh my god. That's embarrassing. You just put your finger out whenever you wanna scroll. So I just thought that you just poke your finger through the hole a little bit while wearing it. Let's not talk about it, okay? They have this, I think these are scarves. But this is not a scarf. Oh! I'm contemplating if I should wear it or if I'm gonna put it wrong. Okay, here we go. I put it wrong. Oh my god, it has ears! Wait. I am obsessed! Coleyes, I love you. Oh my god, they come up with like the best ideas. This is something I would never think to buy, but having it is like, I want more. And let's see, I'm usually wrong. Like, I think I opened something and it's this or that, but it's something else. I think this is a scarf. And it has their logo, and somehow all their things are like super high quality, like their lenses. Oh my god, I have to ask if you can buy it, or you can just browse on their website and check for yourself. This is so soft. Just look at this. I'm too excited. But yes, you can shop from their website. You can use my code Stella20 for 20% off, or even better, Stella to buy 2 and get 3 pairs for free, which leaves you with 5 pairs that you only have to pay for 2. And most of their lenses, if not all of them, are 1-year lenses. That means that I got you set. So yeah, this was coral sea green. Now I really want to try No Makeup Monday blue. I think I've tried this like a year ago or something. It was No Makeup Friday in brown, and it was such a like, I don't know how to explain it, but it was like this washed out in a good way brown color that made you look like so innocent, but also like very good in the same way. Yeah. Okay, so the diameter on these is 14.2. Of course, they come with their little packaging. It's semi-transparent. I usually write the name of the lens and the date that I opened it, so that I know that in a year from that I have to buy more. Anyway, so this is how the box and the lens look like. They are all FDA approved. You shouldn't be worrying about what you put in your eyes. I'll always show you the good stuff. And of course, I showed you in the previous video, they come with these tools, and you can use your fingers or the tools, whatever works best for you. And by the way, in case I didn't tell you already, my eyes are brown. This is what they look like. My pupils are a little on the small side, so whatever is enlarging the pupils, the irises. Anyway, you get what I mean, like the, yeah, I like making sure it's not inside out. And refreshing, honestly. It's like so good. I was speaking about veininess. This is what I will be calling it from now on. When you can see all these little lines on the lens, it looks so beautiful, so real. I love that. Can you hear the dog going like? Okay, no makeup Monday. You got my attention. See, this just kind of like, I just woke up, kind of effortless vibe. I don't know how else to explain it. It's like this effortless, just like, do we have any breakfast? Joking. This is one of my favorites. I'm gonna be wearing this. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you, of course, some daylights and stay there so that I show you what it really looks like, and we're gonna come back for the rest. This is so insanely good. It's just, it hits. The sun is too bright again, but oh my god, I'm loving this one. Nice. Okay, ευχαριστώ πολύ. Well, that was a call that I cannot get better internet where I am, so it's going great, guys. It's going great. I can't wait to get out of here, honestly. It seems like everything I'm trying to do here in Greece is just 10 times harder than what it should be normally. You're like, well, you have to call the number that I'm just calling you from. Like, why don't you just reroute me there? And I have to wait for 1 hour in your call waiting. So they just canceled my application for fiber over here. Thank God Elon has his freaking satellites and we have some type of internet. It's not like the best, but it still is. But Makeup Monday, no Makeup Monday, it was great. I loved it. But yeah, let's move to the next color. We're not letting this just take the best of us. Next color is gonna be, oh my god, they're so pretty. And they're all big, So we're gonna try Sicily Blue. A diameter of 14.2. And this is what the lens, this is like such a bright blue, but baby blue. It looks very, very cute. All of the lenses I'm showing you today are 1 year lenses. Let's see, this does not look like it has a limbo ring. So let's see how it covers my brown eyes. I lost my tools. Oh my god, this looks exciting. Come on. Wow. Excuse me. Can you see this? Am I some fairy of the Winterland? Am I, what am I? So good. That looks amazingly good, actually. I'm obsessed. Sicily. This is so big. It looks so good. Oh. There we go. Look at me in the eye and tell me this does not look good. Okay. Oh, wait. I can actually feel like those girls may look. Oh, okay. So let's check this in daylight. I cannot see anything, but I bet you can. Wow, it's... This is like, do you see this? I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So I don't know if you guys get the same excitement when something is just hitting your mark, you know, like not everything is going to be exactly what you were going for sometimes probably, but like when something is exceeding your expectations, or like it's so cool. You'll be seeing me with the Sicily Blue. Two are gone, two left to go. Code Stella 20 for 20% off of your order, and to Stella for buy 2 and get 3 extra. Oh my god, guys, I was looking through the settings and I found this smooth skin setting. Okay, pores. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. Are you ready for this? Ugh, okay. I think I'm gonna continue with the Echo Green so that we switch it up from blues for a little bit. So this looks like an army green, kind of like, I don't, like, do you see how many colors are here? That's insane. The diameter of it is 14.2 as well. This looks really interesting. Side to side to my actual eye, this is so much bigger and so like bold. Okay, so this is what your girl likes. A big limbo ring, enlarging effect, enlarging, bigifying. I'm being silly. Yeah, this is looking so good. And I'm gonna show you it outside because I don't think you can see all dimension that it has. Can you? Maybe you can. So these looks to me are very effortless. Like you just got out of bed and you just have these eyes because you just have these eyes, you know? Looks really good. So now, I don't know if, I can't remember if they have more colors of its series, but I think for Sicily and Echo, I would love to try some more colors. Let me know if you want me to show you some more of those. And with that, let's go to our last one. I left it because I knew it was going to be one of the best ones. This is a 14.5 diameter, so it's huge. And it's called Barbie Grey. Back in the day when the Barbie movie came out, I tried another one. I'll link the video over here. It was beautiful, but I told my sister, you can get whatever you want. And she chose that Barbie blue. And I didn't have my Barbie lenses, but now I do. I chose this Barbie Grey lenses because I knew that it was just gonna be so good like the other one was. This is what the pack and the lens look like. And let's put it on. Okay. How is it? I can't see so far. Oh boy, I'm loving this. We've worn some more things that look kind of like this vibe. I think it was like glittering. I was obsessed with the glittering series. Glittering black or something like this. It has a very intense limbo ring and a darker gray color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And it kind of blends in with your eye so well. Like you can't even tell. So let me put both of them in. Oh wow. So I'm gonna take this daylight shot and I'm gonna come back. Barbie Grey. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. This one was a really good one. Okay, so this was the Barbie Grey, and you can get yours at Coleyes website, and you can use my code Stella20 for 20% off of your entire order, or Stella just by itself for pay for 2 and get 3 extra for free, and maybe some freebies in there. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to check the lenses out and treat yourself something for Christmas. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye.